Okay, we're going to open this up. The typewriter in here from Goodwill. It's really heavy, and it's moving around. You can hear it. You can hear the parts moving in it. And, yeah, Goodwill. Typewriter's about the size of this box, so there can't be much inside of here, packing-wise, but let's take a look. See what they did as far as packing goes. I mean, it's in a typewriter case. That's it. There's the typewriter. No packing on any edge. Top and bottom only. Well, let's see if it survived. Just got a little crush. A little crush right there. But, you know, it might survive. These are pretty tough. This off here. It's latched. It's upside down in the case. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say about these people. There it is. Scratched up and... oh my God. I just don't know what to say about this company. I really don't. Unbelievable. Let's see what happens here. It's actually come alive. You know, I think it's working. Just scratched up on the top here. Oh my God, I think it's kind of survived. I did notice in the picture it was missing the knob here, so that's not a problem, but I can't believe they left this thing upside down in the case and shipped it like that with no packing. All right, I guess that's to be expected. Good day.